Welcome to Kanaka's podcast, The Digital Shift. Today, we're embarking on what I think is a fascinating deep dive into a powerful force that's rapidly transforming business operations, AI sales agents. We've gathered some, pretty comprehensive content that really unpacks what these agents are, how they function, and, maybe most importantly, the profound impact they're having across industries.
Yeah, what's truly compelling, I think, is how these advanced solutions are doing more than just automating tasks. They're fundamentally reshaping sales strategies,
Mm,
driving unprecedented efficiency and significantly enhancing customer engagement. It's really a systemic shift we're seeing.
Absolutely. So our mission today is to distill the most vital insights from this, rapidly evolving landscape. We want to give you a shortcut to understanding why AI sales agents are quickly becoming really an indispensable tool for any sales-driven business that wants to not just compete, but truly excel. So what does this all actually mean for your business, and how can you harness this power? Let's unpack this. Okay, to kick things off, let's tackle the foundational question. What exactly are AI sales agents? We hear about AI all the time, but these seem like a specific, powerful evolution, right? Especially for sales.
That's right. At their core, AI sales agents are, sophisticated software solutions. They're powered by artificial intelligence, obviously, and they're meticulously designed to automate, streamline, and dramatically enhance a whole spectrum of sales processes that were traditionally handled by human teams. And this isn't just about basic automation, like you said. It's really about infusing intelligence directly into every step of the sales cycle. They leverage really advanced technologies, things like machine learning, natural language processing, or NLP, and robust data analytics. This combination allows them to intelligently interact with customers, deeply analyze huge data sets, and execute complex sales activities, often with minimal human intervention. Think of it as embedding a sort of hyper-efficient, data-driven strategist right into your sales workflow.
right, that's a crucial distinction. Because unlike simple chatbots, which, often rely on scripts or canned replies, these AI agents seem to grasp true buyer intent. Is that fair?
Yeah.
They personalize messages based on subtle cues, engagement patterns, and critically, they can manage these colossal volumes of leads with remarkable precision. It sounds like it goes way beyond just conversation. They're understanding, adapting, driving outcomes.
Precisely.
Okay. So with that in mind, how do these intelligent agents actually operate, behind the scenes? The content we looked at outlines a pretty comprehensive sales automation process. It seems to touch almost every stage.
Yeah, it does. From a strategic view, it really all begins with integration and data gathering. That's step one. These agents, they seamlessly connect with your existing systems, your CRM, email platforms, chat tools, website data, you name it. And this continuous flow of information lets them build an incredibly detailed, kind of 360-degree view of each lead. Imagine an agent tracking every single email open, every website visit, past purchases. It's really about understanding that complete customer journey.
Okay, so they gather all that data, then what?
Well, following that intensive data gathering, they move into lead generation and qualification. And this is where their predictive power really starts to shine. They use machine learning, sophisticated predictive algorithms, analyzing data from all sorts of sources, maybe social media, historical CRM records, to pinpoint and then actually rank the high-value leads. So they don't just find leads, they predict which ones are most likely to convert based on, hundreds of data points.
Which helps human teams prioritize, I imagine?
Exactly. It helps your sales teams focus their efforts much more precisely. And this leads directly into personalized outreach and engagement. So once qualified, these agents can craft and send highly tailored follow-up emails, LinkedIn messages, dynamically adjusting based on how prospects are engaging. And critically, virtual assistants and chatbots powered by this AI can respond to leads 2047.
24/7, wow.
Yeah, providing instant answers, nurturing prospects right through the funnel any time of day or night.
And what about the administrative burden, the stuff that really slows sales teams down?
Right. Well, they handle scheduling and follow-ups automatically. So the AI agents are designed to schedule appointments, manage all that back and forth communication, send reminders without any human needing to step in.
Okay.
And for those, unresponsive leads, the AI can even kick off a series of multi-channel follow-ups. Think voicemail, text messages, emails, making sure no potential opportunity just falls through the cracks.
That multi-channel aspect is interesting.
It is. And a crucial point comes up here. How do they support live interactions? When a human is involved, well, they provide real-time decision-making and support.
How does that work?
Imagine an AI agent kind of virtually sitting in on a live sales call. It could instantly suggest answers to tricky customer questions, maybe display crucial customer data right there on the screen, or even recommend the next best action or a specific product offer based on the conversation. It can even coach reps on handling objections or closing strategies, all in real time.
Wow, like an AI co-pilot for sales calls?
Sort of, yeah. And finally, they take on a huge load of automated administrative tasks. This includes updating CRM records automatically, managing pipeline stages, even creating sales proposals independently sometime.
Which means less manual data entry.
Vastly less. It reduces the sheer volume of admin work, truly freeing up sales teams to focus on activities that actually drive revenue and build those important relationships.
Makes sense.
And underpinning all of this is their capacity for predictive analytics and continuous improvement. Using both historical and real-time data, these AI agents can forecast sales patterns, identify potential risks, suggest proactive actions. A machine learning model is continuously learning from new data, constantly refining lead scoring, optimizing outreach, enhancing engagement tactics over time. Basically, they get smarter with every interaction.
Okay, so it's clear how they work. It's quite sophisticated. But what's the actual, tangible impact on businesses? The content suggests the benefits are pretty significant, directly addressing core operational challenges. It sounds like it fundamentally alters how businesses can grow.
It really does.
Right.
One of the most immediate impacts is just increased efficiency. That's a big one. By automating those time-consuming, repetitive tasks, initial lead qualification, outreach, follow-ups, CRM update sales teams can redirect their energy. This means they can genuinely focus on high-value activities, building deeper customer relationships, strategizing complex deals, and, well, closing sales. It transforms their work from admin-heavy to strategic.
And the data really seems to back this up, right? It translates directly into tangible cost reduction. The figures mentioned are pretty remarkable businesses adopting AI reporting up to a, 35% reduction in customer service costs.
That's right, and alongside that, a 32% increase in revenue in some cases.
Wow. Those aren't minor adjustments. That's a direct hit on the bottom line, a really clear ROI.
Absolutely. And beyond costs, they lead to dramatically improved customer satisfaction. By offering that 247 support, providing instant, accurate responses, and enabling highly personalized communication at scale, AI agents significantly enhance the overall customer experience. This fosters stronger loyalty, drives higher engagement, and ultimately boosts conversion rates in what's often a very competitive market.
And thinking about growth, a critical differentiator seems to be scalability.
Yes, definitely. AI agents can manage, virtually an unlimited number of customer interactions simultaneously. This lets businesses scale their operations really efficiently without those proportional increases in headcount or operational costs that traditional models always demand.
Right, like a small e-commerce startup handling Black Friday level traffic every day without hiring tons of extra staff.
Exactly that kind of power. Which then brings up the strategic advantage. They enable better decision-making. By analyzing these vast volumes of data more than any human team could possibly process, AI agents uncover subtle trends, predict future outcomes, and offer actionable insights. Insights that can dramatically refine and improve sales strategies. This predictive forecasting helps businesses anticipate opportunities, mitigate risks, enabling truly proactive, data-driven decisions.
And finally, it's not just about automation, but also enhanced sales team support.
Correct. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. Through real-time coaching, comprehensive onboarding help, granular performance analysis, they can review call transcripts, highlight strengths, suggest targeted improvements, accelerating learning, and significantly boosting the effectiveness of the entire sales team.
Okay, that makes sense. It's a support system.
Among the various, sophisticated solutions out there, we see examples like the approach taken by Canerca. Our content highlights Canerca as a key player in this space. And, well, we at Canerca really focus intensely on bringing real, tangible business value to our clients. We see AI not as some sort of gimmick, but as a genuinely practical tool for operational excellence.
Yeah, and what's particularly insightful is how leading solutions like ours are incorporating agents with natural language analysis for sales data. For instance, we've developed an AI sales agent, Sally, who's designed specifically to democratize access to sales analytics. The goal is empowering users at all technical levels to get insights and drive smarter decisions without needing deep tech expertise, making complex data accessible, really.
And its capabilities really illustrate this point well. Sally can interpret natural language queries. You just ask it a question in plain English to deliver deep sales trends, customer performance insights, revenue analysis, all on demand. It also automates data retrieval from databases, cutting down manual effort hugely, and integrates seamlessly with CRM systems for, holistic lead management, personalized outreach, efficient meeting scheduling, the whole package.
Right, and this aligns directly with the broader philosophy we champion at Canerica regarding our agentic AI and advanced AML solutions. We focus intently on delivering real business value,
Right.
helping organizations solve critical operational problems using smart, reliable automation. We really believe in practical, impactful solutions that lead to better outcomes.
Yeah, the content highlights that we at Canerica designed custom AI agents and generative AI models. They're built to align precisely with unique business processes. We specifically target and remove bottlenecks, measurably improving efficiency. This includes solutions for, well, everything from inventory optimization, sophisticated sales and financial forecasting, to things like arithmetic data validation, objective vendor evaluation, dynamic smart pricing systems.
All designed to improve decision-making.
Exactly, across the board.
Essentially, we believe AI should make operations faster, smarter, and significantly more resilient. That's why we partner closely with every client, creating tailored systems built specifically to perform for their unique needs, not just generic, off-the-shelf software. With Canerica, the goal isn't just adopting AI, it's profoundly transforming the very way your business operates. Okay, so these aren't just theoretical tools we're discussing, they're making a measurable impact in diverse industries right now. Let's maybe look at some key real-world use cases from the content. They really show the versatility and immediate value.
Sure. In B2B SaaS, for instance, AI sales agents really excel at automating lead qualification and streamlining product demos. They can handle inbound inquiries effortlessly, qualify leads based on set criteria, even schedule demo calls automatically. They respond instantly to web forms, which drastically boosts conversions from that initial interest.
Right. And for e-commerce and direct-consumer brands, I imagine they're useful there too.
Oh, definitely. They're phenomenal at handling massive volumes of customer queries and expertly upselling products. They can have natural chats with website visitors, instantly answer product questions, proactively recommend relevant items, and even strategically help recover abandoned carts by sending targeted, personalized follow-ups. Huge value there.
Yeah, I can see that. What about lead generation agencies?
They leverage these agents for highly scalable cold outreach and nurturing campaigns. Think about sending thousands of personalized messages across email and LinkedIn. The agents follow up consistently, score responses based on engagement, and then seamlessly pass truly warm, qualified leads directly to human reps. Ensures sales teams focus only on the most promising prospects.
Makes sense. And in real estate, that's a dynamic market.
Yeah, in real estate and property tech, AI bots are really revolutionizing inquiry management. They can quickly qualify potential buyers or renters, answer loads of questions about listings, schedule viewings 24/7. That always-on capability is perfect for such a time-sensitive, competitive market. Lets agents maximize their time actually showing properties.
Okay. Financial services, that seems complex.
It is, but they provide an invaluable service there too. Educating prospects on complex products, recommending options based on client profiles, assisting with quotes. They can even intelligently filter leads by eligibility or budget before handing them off to human advisors. Streamlines a traditionally complex and compliance-heavy sales cycle quite significantly.
And one more, customer success and upselling? It's not just about new business.
Absolutely not. They proactively engage existing clients too. AI agents can check in at just the right moment, suggest relevant upgrades or additional services based on usage patterns, and crucially, help prevent churn by identifying and flagging potential issues early. This allows the human team to step in when that personal, empathetic touch is really needed most.
Okay, so the applications are really broad. Given all this power, how do businesses ensure they implement AI sales agents effectively? And, just as importantly, avoid common pitfalls. Our content lays out some crucial best practices here.
Yeah, and this brings up a really critical question that comes up a lot. Should AI replace human sales teams? The content is emphatic on this. Use AI to support, not replace, human sales teams. That's key. AI is brilliant for repetitive, high-volume, time-sensitive tasks, outreach, scheduling. But humans, they focus on the complex negotiations, building deep customer relationships, handling intricate objections with nuance. This careful balance preserves trust and ultimately dramatically improves closing rates. It's about augmentation, not replacement.
That makes sense. And it's also vital, presumably, to train AI agents using real sales data.
Oh, absolutely vital. Generic inputs will just give you generic results. It's that simple. Feeding your AI with actual call transcripts, successful email sequences from your team, your specific FAQs, that significantly improves response accuracy. It also ensures the messaging is perfectly aligned with your brand voice and your audience's expectations. The better the data in, the exponentially more effective the AI becomes.
Which leads to the next point, consistency.
Exactly. Ensure consistency with your brand voice. The AI's communication has to impeccably reflect your company's established tone and style, whether that's formal, conversational, technical, whatever. Defining a clear messaging guide for the AI builds credibility, reinforces your brand identity, and ensures a seamless customer experience. No jarring disconnects.
Okay. And crucial for smooth operations, especially when things get tricky. Establish clear guidelines for human escalation.
Yes. The AI needs to know precisely when to raise its hand and say, I need a human here. Define specific scenarios that absolutely require human involvement. Maybe complex pricing questions, nuanced objections needing emotional intelligence, or just unusual requests outside its training.
Setting up alerts or smart routing probably helps avoid frustration.
Definitely. It avoids customer frustration and prevents lost opportunities.
Makes sense.
And stepping back a bit, a really effective strategy is to start with a focus use case before expanding. Don't try to boil the ocean. A phased rollout reduces risk, optimizes the learning curve. Begin with just one targeted area, maybe initial lead qualification or outbound email. Monitor results closely, gather insights, then expand once you've optimized and gained confidence. It allows for controlled testing, much smoother integration.
Okay, start small, iterate, and finally, but critically important, review AI performance regularly.
Yes, you can't just set it and forget it. Unsupervised AI can, unfortunately, lead to inconsistencies or drift over time. So conducting weekly or maybe bi-weekly reviews of conversation logs is absolutely essential. This helps you quickly spot gaps, outdated messages, off-brand replies.
Allowing you to retrain and maintain quality.
Exactly. Keep it sharp and effective.
And I suppose focusing on the right metrics is key too.
Absolutely. What's truly impactful here is focusing on meaningful performance metrics, not just vanity metrics like activity volume. Track the things that genuinely affect sales performance and business growth. Qualified leads generated, conversion rates at each stage, average response time, the quantifiable reduction in manual workload for your human team. These deep insights will genuinely guide improvements and, importantly, unequivocally prove the AI's tangible business value.
We've definitely covered a tremendous amount of ground today on AI sales agents. From their sophisticated inner workings and truly transformative benefits to real-world applications across industries and those crucial best practices for leveraging them effectively. It feels abundantly clear that this is far more than just, another tech trend. It really feels like a fundamental strategic shift in how businesses can grow, operate, and engage with customers in our increasingly digital world.
Yeah, from a broader strategic lens, I think the insights we've shared really highlight how adopting these intelligent solutions can lead to remarkable gains. Gains in efficiency, significant measurable cost reduction, and profoundly enhanced customer satisfaction. This isn't just incremental change, it's a powerful catalyst for true digital transformation within any forward-thinking organization.
This whole deep dive really emphasizes that AI agents aren't merely tools, are they? They're more like strategic partners in your business journey. And as the content highlights, we at Canarica firmly believe that with the right implementation, that tailored approach focused on specific business value, you're not just adopting AI, you are profoundly transforming the way your business works, making it faster, smarter, and far more resilient.
Yeah, which then raises, I think, an important question for you, the listener, to consider as you navigate this shift. As AI continues its rapid evolution, becoming even more capable, more autonomous, how might the unique and, frankly, irreplaceable role of human empathy, creativity, and strategic thinking become even more crucial alongside these increasingly intelligent agents? It's definitely something to mull over as you navigate your own digital shift and plan for what's next.
A great thought to end on. Thank you for joining us on this impactful deep dive into AI sales agents. We genuinely hope this exploration provides you with valuable insights for your own journey. Until next time on The Digital Shift.